The Saline County Sheriff's Office, the Kansas Bureau of Investigation, and the Saline County Attorney's Office is investigating a homicide that occurred at 2660 East Shipton Road in rural Saline County. On Monday, August 2nd, during the morning hours, investigators were at the residence of Davin and Kandi Sprague on Shipton Road. Kandi Sprague had been reported to the Sheriff's Office as a missing person. Kandi's body was discovered on the property. Investigation into her death has led to the arrest of Davin Sprague for first-degree murder. An autopsy is being performed this afternoon. The investigation continues, and Davin Sprague is in custody in the Saline County Jail.
How old is Kandi?
Kandi is 28 years old. Davin is 36.
Was she his wife?
Husband and wife.
How was she killed?
We can't really comment on that at this point, and the autopsy is being performed, and we should know more information, but at this point I can't comment.
Was the body in the house or was it outside?
It was out on the property.
Out on the property. Is it, how big of an area is it?
And I think it's estimated as a 2-acre lot.
Can you give us the address?
2660 East Shipton Road.
When was she reported missing?
Probably about a week ago.
Who reported her missing, him or the other family members?
I believe another family member reported.
So you said she was reported missing about a week ago?
A week ago Thursday.
Did you receive some kind of information that may have led you to believe that it was at the residence?
Well, not exactly. We were just working an investigation into the missing person and knew that this follow-up had to be conducted.
You had not been to the location before?
We have, and I don't have any details on it, whether it was in relation to him or somebody else. There's been a number of people lived out there. That's over the years.
Was that her home?
Yes.
Okay.
Did you guys have a search warrant to search the property?
Yes, we did.
On what grounds?
Just investigation into the missing person.
Was her body concealed, is it open, or?
I can't comment on that.
How difficult was it to find her?
Well, coupled with the fact that the weather was not cooperating from the temperature yesterday, and there's a considerable amount of property up there, there was some difficulty.
Any idea how long the body had been out there?
No,
Did it appear the body had been out there for some time though?
a period of time.
Do you expect any more arrests in this case?
No.
Was he, did you arrest him at the home?
I can't comment on that either.
The other family member, can you say anything about how close a family member it is to Kandi that reported?
I'm not familiar with that.
Are they both native to Salina or Saline County, as far as you know?
I don't know.
Okay.
They've lived at that residence for a period of time.
Has a weapon been recovered?
I can't comment.
You won't say if she's been shot or stabbed or...
At this point, I don't know.
Okay. Sure.
Talk a little bit about the crime scene, if you would. Is it something that you can wrap up in a day, or is it spread out throughout that area?
It's going to be, well, not necessarily from the physical size, but the complexity of any crime scene is going to be several days worth of work by a number of people.
So what's next? What are you guys doing now?
Just a lot of background work, talking to people, putting the facts together of the case, still working the crime scene, and as I said, the autopsy is going on, so those all have to be compared.
Do you happen to know her maiden name?
Also, has the suspect confessed? Has he done anything like that?
I can't comment on that.
Are you finding evidence throughout the property or come out in the area?
Again, I can't really comment on that because it's ongoing. But there's evidence, actually in most crimes, there's a considerable amount of evidence.
Are you still working it out there?
Yes.
Have they set a first appearance?
I believe it's tomorrow morning. I'm not sure what time.
8:30 normally. It'll be done on video normally.
So does that mean he's already been charged, formally charged? Or
Yes.
Yep.
He has been formally? And you may do it differently than what we...
Arrest warrant.
Say again?
So he hasn't made a first appearance, but he was arrested on a warrant.
On a warrant charging him with first-degree murder.
Correct. That's my understanding.
Did you guys say when he was arrested? I'm not sure.
Last night.
Last night, okay.
Did you just issue the warrant last night then also, and then arrest him right away after it was issued?
I don't know when it was issued, but he was arrested on arrest warrant.
When was the body discovered, did you say?
Yesterday morning,
Yesterday night? And when was he arrested? Last night?
last night.
Okay.